The biggest problem in corporate world is knowing and doing gap. We know what to do, but still struggle to implement it. Interestingly, we learn best practices, tools and frameworks, but we need hand holding. I believe these are 5 case studies which we can use to understand how to transform company, industry or nation. They all started with vision and make decision to grow. They all engage their stakeholders and set the right expectations. They all adopted the changes based on internal and external dynamics. But above all, they all produce results consistently and transform their outputs into outcomes. I am using these same concepts and framework to transform my company and my industry. And if you want to be like them, join my program management movement. Thank you.